Yo, what is up YouTube? Back here with another video. July? Yeah, July pickups, boys. July streetwear pickups. 3 little pickups this month. Not too crazy, bro. Not too crazy. But nonetheless, dude, as always, they are fucking sick clothes, bro. Sick clothes. But yeah, since it's hot out, we're gonna start with the tees, cause it has been fucking blazing hot, bro. Ball sticky every day, man. First shirt, this is free. Selman Chevrolet, you know, the car dealerships. Got some nice little Camaros on there. But dude, the Camaros are fire. These shirts, bro, these baggy shirts that are loose fitting are my favorite. They're only like Hanes prints, I don't care, bro. The shirts with the graphics just like that are my favorite. Nothing too crazy though, it's just a free shirt from the dealership, bro. Second thing is from Utmost. I don't know if you guys know what Utmost is, Utmost Co. Got a fucking Godzilla shirt, dude. Screen print, nothing crazy. Just a fucking Godzilla, bro. Godzilla going off with the fucking fighter jets after him. Says Utmost right there. I don't know why they decided to do it like that. They should have just put the letters like U up here and then straight down. I don't know, bro. All I know is they need to hire me as the creative director, I guess, bro, because they be fucking up on some simple shit. But simple Utmost tee, nothing on the bag, just the front graphic of Godzilla. It's cool, bro. Cool shirt, funny shirt. Nothing crazy, like I said, man. Is a pair of bottoms. We got some jeans, boys. Jeans from Menace, Los Angeles. I don't know if you've ever heard of Menace. Pretty, I guess, small brand. Pretty, they've got some pieces that get noticed by some people. Celebrities be wearing it. Oh shit, my bad. Like the Beverly Hills Gun Range hoodies, it's those guys. If you guys have ever seen the Beverly Hills Gun Range. Sweaters, this is them. This is Menace, bro. It's the denim cargo pant, I think, bro. It's got a lot of detail though, man. Honestly, respect on the detail. The only thing I have to say about the complaint, bro, is that I ordered these pants back in April, bro. Holy shit. Back in April, and I think I barely got them 2 weeks ago, or maybe even last week. Yeah, dude, it was a wait and a half for these, but I was patient. I didn't really care. But they just wouldn't say what the actual problem was. They just more like avoid it, and they'd say like pants will be shipping soon. They just changed the date. Instead, when the pants finally did ship, they just said that that there was a factory problem. Like those guys couldn't have said that in the beginning, bro. Come on. Could just said there was a factory problem, whatever, bro. But either way, dude, the details on this pants are pretty fucking crazy. Right here on the left leg, you got Menace with the little scope, I guess you'd say. It's like printed on, bro. I don't know what this print is, but it pops out. You feel it. It's noticeable. It's cool. Then on the right pant, you got a different wash through the thigh area, and then you got a cargo pocket right here. Just one pocket. And then the rest of the pants is the regular wash, light blue. Then the back, I already showed you the back. Embroidered little scope on the back. Reticle, I don't know what you want to call it, bro. But it's cool pants, bro. Nice fitting, baggy, just what I like. So yeah, can't complain too much. They were a little pricey, bro. They were like $100 something, but it's quality, it's quality. Some quality denim, bro, so no stretch, you know, nice fit. I rate them. Not complaining. That's it, boys. Just 3 little things this month. Pair of jeans, 2 t-shirts. Nothing crazy, bro. Nothing crazy. Once I get on that Who is Jacob level, dude, then it'll be crazy, bro. Then a lot of hauls, you know. But for the meantime, that's it, boys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single view. And I will see you guys next time. Later, man.